Such a freaking boring day. I'll call one of my friends. Oh, my phone's dead. Duh. Guess I'll just drink some water and watch some TV. The flip? What's going on? What's going on? Oh my god, I have to call the cops! Oh god, I gotta go, call the cops. Oh crap, my phone's dead, I don't have a house phone! Okay. Oh god. It stopped? Oh my god, it stopped! Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god! Oh god! I'm under the desk. He's like that. He's like in that. I hear him. Oh god, I hear him. Oh god. Oh god, oh god, he's got a knife. He's got a knife. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Yes. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. He's in here. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, where did he go? I don't see him. God. He's not there. Where is he? Is he in there? Oh god, I don't know where he went. What the? Oh my god! No! It won't open. Please don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. No! Ah! Ow! God, he cut me. Ouch. Is he still here? Oh god. Maddie! No! I gotta get my dad's axe. Dad's protection tool. Yes. Ouch. Hey! Come here. Got something for you. Woo! Missed. I'm gonna hit you again. That's what I thought, buddy.